Hello, my students. Today is Tuesday, and you know that we need to start to copy in your notebook, please. Date, the topic, and performance. Today we continue working on the page 14, okay? And in this moment, I show you your book 14, and the activity is listen and match the days to the activity. In this part, we have audio, but don't worry because you can find the audio in this part, okay? I send you, I send you this audio with the homework, the activity of today. You can listen the audio and you can read, yes? This is the dialogue of the audio. And you please, when you listen and read this part, you can answer the activity. Look, and you listen first the audio and match according with the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. What are the activities that the student did in this day? Yes, I don't know. For example, on Monday, what activity did you listen? They go camping or go fishing. Okay, and you write the numbers in this part 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, this is the activity for today, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye, my students.